every night she glowed, not for herself, for everyone else, so no one would have to walk through the dark alone. The owl found his way home because of her. The rabbit's children slept peacefully because of her. The lost beetle always found the safe path because of her. And every single night she watched them leave. But no one ever stopped long enough to look back. But slowly her light began to flicker. She was tired, exhausted, and somehow nobody noticed. No one ever asked her if she was okay. She had spent so long giving light away that she forgot she was allowed to need some too. And then, one night, she stopped glowing. Not because she wanted to, but because there was simply nothing left inside her to burn. She sat quietly on the edge of a leaf, wings folded, silent, hoping that maybe, just once, someone would notice the darkness she left behind. The owl crashed into the trees. The rabbit's children cried in fear, and suddenly everyone noticed the darkness. They asked, "Where did the light go?" But not one of them asked, "Where did she go?" But then a tiny caterpillar crawled onto her leaf. He just sat beside her, quietly, and after a moment he whispered, "I noticed." 2 words. That was all. But for someone who had felt invisible for so long, those 2 words meant everything. There is someone in your life right now, still glowing for everyone else, while quietly running out of light. They probably won't ask for help. People who give the most rarely do, so don't wait until their light disappears. Go sit beside them and say, "I noticed," before it becomes too late